There was a point in my fitness journey where I almost quit completely. And if I had, my life would look very different today. Hey ladies, and welcome back. Today's video is a little bit more personal because I want to talk to you about something I know a lot of women go through but don't always talk about. There was a time in my fitness journey where I felt frustrated, stuck, and honestly, I was ready to give up. And if you've ever felt like that, like you keep on starting over, like nothing is working, I want you to know that you are not alone. But I also want to share what changed everything for me because it might be exactly what you need to hear right now. At that point, I was working out consistently, trying to eat lean, doing what I thought I was supposed to, but I wasn't seeing the results that I expected. And mentally, that is exhausting because it starts to feel like, what's the point? Maybe this just isn't for me. And that is where most people quit. Not because they're lazy, but because they're discouraged. Looking back now, I can see it clearly. I was actually under eating, overdoing cardio, constantly switching up my workouts, and relying on motivation to carry me. There was no real structure, no real plan. And I was expecting to see results without giving my body the consistency it actually needed. Now, the shift wasn't overnight, but it did start with this. I stopped trying to be perfect and started focusing on being more consistent. I stopped trying to have an all or nothing type of attitude and started focusing on being consistent. I built a routine that I could actually stick to. I started strength training with intention, fueling my body properly, repeating the basics instead of chasing new things. And most importantly, I stopped quitting on myself, even on the hard days. The truth is, your results don't come from one perfect week. They come from showing up imperfectly over and over again. That is what builds confidence, that's what builds strength, and that's what changes your body. If you've been feeling like giving up lately, I hope that this video reminds you that you're closer than you think. Comment below if you've ever felt this way. I want you to know that you're not alone in this. And if you're ready to stop starting over and finally follow a plan that works, I've linked my coaching below. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm here to help you stay consistent and actually see results. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.